Is Lionheart prop firm legit or scam? Well, in today's video, I'm going to break down to you every single thing you need to know about this particular prop firm known as Lionheart Funding. So this prop firm has been one of the latest prop firm that has been in the industry for less than 2, maybe 3 years now, I would say. Yeah, it should be less than 2 years. And I've been coming across them on Twitter. Personally, I don't use them, but I keep seeing people requesting for me to do a review on it. And recently for my last video, someone actually asked me to do a review on that particular prop firm. That's why in this video, I'm going to walk you through every single thing you need to know about this prop firm, ranging from their pricing, their trading challenges, and their rules of trading. After that, we're also going to take a look at their social media handles, like people comment, looking at the problem people are facing with them, and from there we'll be able to know if it's legit or scam, so that you can also implement this knowledge I'll share with you in other prop firms when you are doing your prop firm research. So hello guys, now that you're on my computer, let's take a sorry for the laugh actually. Let's take a quick run through about their firm and then see how it actually is. First of all, looking at the website alone, it has already given me negative vibes. Yeah, the website alone has given me a negative vibe, but then there's no problem at all. Let's go through and see what they're actually offering and then read what people say about them. So when you come over here, they have so many plans. They have okay, 4, so not that much. They have the Alpha Challenge, the Pride Challenge, the Row Challenge, and then the Guardian Challenge. Now here's it. The Alpha Challenge is a standard 2-step challenge. Click is a standard 2-step challenge, which is the one every firm at their offers. And then the Pride Challenge, these are standard 1-step challenge. So the Pride Challenge is a 1-step challenge. You don't have to go through multiple phases, just one phase. And then the Row Challenge, this is the only challenge dedicated to ESN, HFT trading, high frequency trading. So they say for their Row Challenge, if you want to use EA, which is expert advice, and they do high frequency trading like scalping, and then scalping and a lot of short-term trading, then you can go with this plan, which is a Row Challenge. And then the Guardian Challenge, this is a standard 3-step challenge. So the Guardian Challenge is actually 3-step challenge. Well, it's a Guardian process. Now let's take a look at their pricing for the Alpha Challenge, starting from $5,000 to $400,000 max. Now looking at here, their profit target for phase 1 is 8%, which is making $400. Phase 2 is 5%, a total of $650, and then you're done with the challenge. Your daily drawdown is set to 5%, which is $500. I mean $250, and your overall drawdown is 10%. And then your drawdown type is balance based, which is one of the best, which is the best form of drawdown to look for when buying a firm. Max trading days is unlimited, minimum trading days is unlimited, and that's quite okay. Withdrawal time, so it's 14 days, which is every 2 weeks. Profit split is 90-10, so you take 90%, they take 10%. News trading, they actually don't allow news trading. And then their ES is actually, they only allow expert advice on only the Row Challenge, which is this one here. That's where you are only allowed to use ES and the rest. So apart from that, all the prices are the same for all their plans. All the prices are the same, and that is quite good so far. But then looking at their pricing, they have quite good pricing, and then their trading conditions not really bad, as it's the same as most of the other challenges are actually offering. So from their website, I already have negative vibe about them. However, they have a live chat here that you can come and test out yourself to see how fast they actually reply. Let me just come over. How often can I withdraw? So let's just take a look at some of their trading conditions and then their prohibited stuffs. So can I trade using ES and Argos? They say yes, ES and Argos are allowed on their Row Challenge, as I already said earlier. And then their prohibited trading strategy, copy trading from third-party signals. So they hate it when you take signals from third party and trade with them. So when you're trading with them, they are only after you trading your own analytics. Account management services, you can't buy account and then give it to account managers to trade for you. Arbitrage trading, latency or reverse, so they prohibit arbitrage trading as well. Grid trading also prohibited, and martingale also prohibited as well. Can I withdraw evaluation profit? No, that one is a default answer. There's no way you can actually withdraw from evaluation account. And then do you have minimum hold time? Whilst our evaluation phase aims to best capture live conditions as best as possible, the live market will always be more reactive to short-haired scalp trade. As such, to protect both our trades and our capital, we aim to support scalping strategy that hold for certain amount of time. So they say they support scalping, But then remember, they did not state the time maximum or minimum that you can actually hold a trade. So not stating the time is one big problem, and I'll tell you why this is a big problem when we go over to reading people's opinion about them. So the next one here is simply how many accounts can I trade at a given time? Well, they say you can actually trade as many accounts as you want in a single. Well, they say we allow for unlimited evaluation accounts to be taken at once with a total maximum funding amount in funded phase of up to $600,000. So the max they can actually fund is up to $600,000. So once you buy as many evaluation as you want, up to $600,000, you are to stop at that particular point. Now you can come and read a lot of things about them. The main reason why I'm actually trying to share this video with you is simply trying to know if they are legit or scam. And for that, let's actually come over to Trustpilot, which is the home of all prop firm reviews and every single thing review as well. Now looking at Trustpilot here, they have, I would say, an average rating. They have a total of 258 votes, of which 3.6 stars. So kind of funny. So 3 stars. They are just 3.6 range, which is an average rating for a prop firm. And after reading through most of these comments, I've actually gone through most of these comments, and all of them seems to be talking about the same thing. Like most of the comments here are coming from the same person, from what I would even say. Life support was perfect. Look at the name, Jack Grayson. When you look at the write-up and then date of experience, July 03 2024, which is just which is this month we are. This one, June 4th. Lionheart is my first choice because I've received multiple payouts from them. I easily passed the challenge using smart funded HFT and haven't faced any IP related payouts. Okay, that was a positive one. And then Wisdom, this is June 14. My trading journey has been completely transformed since I started renting the smart funded HFT tool on MX. So most of the things I'm seeing here doesn't really look like real life reviews. I'll be honest with you, most of them actually don't look like real personal reviews from people who are actually using it, because I even searched through YouTube. I couldn't see videos of anyone receiving payout from them. I went through Twitter as well. I didn't see anyone. Like, I've gone through a lot of their handles and haven't really seen anything promising about this prop firm. And another reason why I would say this prop firm is a red flag is simply because of the owner. A few months ago, the owner trod someone, and then after whether was it consummate trade or something, he trod the person and then said negative stuff about that particular prop firm, and before we could look, he launched his own prop firm again. I'm not partnered with any of those prop firms. Like, I even don't accept fee in most cases to promote all these prop firms, because most of the times all these prop firms that I'm promoting here, I'm not actually using most of them. As I always say in my prop firm review videos, the ones I'm using, the only prop firm I'm using at the moment is Maven. That is the only prop firm I'm using, and I'm not sponsored by them either. So take a look at this one as well. Live support is fantastic. They are prompt and get. So after reading so many positive comments, I scroll down. This one, July 23rd, which is this person put 10 hours ago. If you look at my date here, you see this is 24th of July. So I don't know where they are getting this 10 hours. This one is reported from Nigeria. I'm not going to write a bad review here due to the fact that I have not been able to buy a challenge. So this person is actually having problem not being able to buy a challenge due to the payment option they made available, which is the coin payment as your only option for crypto. So the only platform they offer is coin payment, and coin payment do have a lot of glitches recently. So take a look at this other person here, Sumeje. He said 2 days ago, which is on July 22nd, there is no guarantee you will ever see what? Let me just open it fully. Okay, he said there's no guarantee you will ever see your money again if you invest with this company. Their support is cold-hearted and they have no concern for your money. Avoid them. The best alternative, which I'm very sure about, is Pegasus. I don't even know about this prophet. And from reading this person review, this person is actually having a negative thought about the owner of the prop firm. So for this review here, I will not even consider it a rating, because this person is just promoting something else. Now take a look at this person, give it them from Germany. It say verified document showed that their experience was genuine. Once provided, Trustpilot labeled the review as verified. Okay, they say this review is actually from a verified user. For me, it's a good experience. Follow the rules. I received 2 withdrawal from them, so far very satisfied. I hope they keep it that way. So reading through all of these comments here, and then so many negative comments, you can see they refuse payout twice due to some hidden rules. First, it was profit consistency, which I let it slide. Now they said I failed the lot consistency and flagging. Well, this is the main video. This is the main reason why I said this prop firm shouldn't be an idea for anyone at all. Because if you take a look at over here, if you come over here now, let's take a look if they had anything as consistency written over here. Can US resident buy this challenge? Okay, this is not what you are looking for. Let me just search for something consistency. So if you look at over here on their frequency and question page, there's nothing stated about consistency rule. However, this particular person is complaining about consistency rule. Say they refused payout twice due to some hidden rules. This person is Gilbert Ferko from Czech. This should be Czech here, I think. Yeah. First, it was profit consistency rule, which I let it slide. Now they said I failed the lots consistency and flagging trades that were already flagged for the profit consistency rule. I only used lot between 0.1 to 0.6 consistently and didn't increase or reduce the lot, but they still refused the payout account ID. This person even went ahead and dropped his account ID. I tried to complain on the Discord and they blocked me. Yet this one thing that a lot of people have been saying about it, that when you try laying a complaint on their Discord, they are going to block you or mark you as timeout and all of that. I wanted to share history of my trade before payout to show proof of following the rules, but they won't let me do so. Please guys, don't buy any account from them. They will keep refusing your payout until you fail. If you request 10 times, they will take the trades you took in the last 6 months to flag for the request you made today. I've been trying to get payout for the last 3 months, and every time I request a payout, there is always a rule I fail that even the moderators on the Discord can't explain. Another thing is that the slippage they have in executing trades, they take 5 to 10 pips extra when opening and closing position, even if it's a limit order. They put rules to make you fail and traps to make you fail. Well, this is one thing that has happened to a lot of African brothers traders who are opening profit. This one simple problem they have, and that's exactly everything this person has stated here, as you can see here. And from here, they say this is an honest review, and I've been trying to be quiet for the last 3 months, but the last payout request just threw me overboard. It's just too much to bear. Fool me once, it's okay, twice consider, but the third time is being a fool enough. This one is from Great Britain, which is the UK, I think. Where is my withdrawal? I made withdrawal request few weeks ago and support is not responding either. Well, I'm not on Infinity Metrics and everything is going as it should be. They have instant withdrawals and support is always active to help or new and old users. So human garbage. This one is from Croatia, I think. CR. Which country goes with CR? That should be okay. Costa Rica, actually, yeah. LFP are human garbage. Calling their scammer is not even enough. The organized crime mafia. So looking at a lot of these comments and a lot of things that I've read from here, this program seems to be highly fishy with their rules. Take a look at this person as well from Ghana. Oh, Ghana, my Ghana brother. Scam prop firm, stay away from them. This prop firm is a scam, stay away. I was so much disappointed in my mentor, Mr. Godlove, and all the team managing the firm. I'm Godlove University student. My payout has been denied 3 consecutive times. Now, this person is his own student. Yes, as I said, this prop firm is owned by Godlove, a trader as well. And you can see this person is his own student that is reporting his own prop firm. This should tell you that there's something fishy. My payout has been denied 3 consecutive times with a lot of reasons, which is not true. The first reason was volume consistency rule, which I didn't argue. And the second reason was profit consistency rules, which I argued, but they stopped replying me, so nothing was resolved. This third one, my payout was denied with a claim that I traded news, which I didn't. I provided all the proof, but nothing was done about it. I asked for their proof and they stopped responding to my mail. Exactly. 22k payout decline. This one is from which country is this? GD. Okay, Grenada. It's not a popular country that I would know easily. After reading all these reviews pertaining to payout decline due to copy trade from numerous traders, I really did thought to myself that is fishy, but I said let me not too ahead of myself, let me not be the judge of that. But now it has happened to me. I had my 22k payout decline, reason being copy trading. Yes, copy trading is another thing that they've actually been saying a lot of things about, and my honest review for you is that considering all these negative factors we have here, I would say avoid this prop firm. Like, avoid this prop firm at all costs for your own safety reasons. Like, one thing about me when it comes to choosing prop firm is that these reviews from people from this community is highly important. When you go through these reviews and look at their star ratings, like take a look at FTMO, the most trusted prop firm ever. FTMO and 5 years. Look at fundedness. When you look at their ratings alone gives you a positive vibe about the prop firm. Like, there are a lot of prop firms that you can actually search here. Let me even look for Maven here as well. Maven Trading. Take a look at Maven Trading that came recently. Take a look at their star rating. Verified company. You can see, take a look at their star rating alone. It gives you a positive reason to come and read their ratings. You get positive reviews. Take a look at other prop firms like Funding Peeps. Let's even take a look at this other prop firm here, the GOAT. What are the GOAT funded trader? GOAT funded. I can't really find that prop firm here, but just take a look at other reliable firms. You see their ratings really looking positive. And now let's scroll through here. You can see positive, only one negative. This is the worst prop firm ever. They denied me a funded account because their auto close feature closed my trade when I hit the profit target. I wasn't the one who closed the trade. It was your system. Seriously, first they claim I traded during power speech, which I didn't. Okay, well, this something about Maven Trading. This is the only red flag I also have about Maven Trading, is that when you place a trade and then it got close and you set your take profit and then your take profit got hit when news is going on, they actually don't see it, because they stated it clearly that your trade shouldn't be closed or opened 2 minutes before and after news. So this one thing about it. So when me even trading with them, I always, like, when there's a news coming up, I extend my take profit position or I just close my trade off to avoid anything. So this is the only problem I have with Maven Trading so far, but I believe they'll work on it too. So I'm not partnered with any prop firm currently, and all these reviews I'm giving about prop firm are my honest judge review. So with this already said, this is simply all about this prop firm. Hope you find them helpful. If you find these results helpful, do have to smash that subscribe button, and also pick whatever firm you want to work with. I don't recommend any firm, and there's no affiliate link in my video description as well. Have a nice day. Bye.